let's see what we have. Oh, hello there. Mary and Allie from Two Tiny Wings here. And so if you have been watching the channel recently, you realize that this means that you are in for an unboxing. Yay! And we are very, very excited. The last unboxing we did was our first bling box from Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes, and we got our first magic box. So we are going to see what is in here. Now, what we are expecting is 3 to 5 items. We don't know what they are. We have said that we don't prefer male or female items. We were neutral on that, and that we were kids at heart. So excited to see. Let's dive in. First, again, the boxes are absolutely adorable. You can see that they have all sorts of little doodads and castles and icons.
Stormtroopers holding Death Star balloons.
Let's see. Yeah, there we go.
They're so cute.
So absolutely adorable. So fantastic. Okay,
How do we open it?
oh, here we go.
Oh, nope.
Nope. Here we try to go. Okay, so let's see what we have.
Oh!
Yes.
There's some like little shimmer.
There's little like starry glitter. So that's awesome. So the first thing is you get a neat little card. It's got Minnie on it. And the card says, a little smile goes a long way. Remember, you're the one who can fill the world with sunshine. Aww.
Oh, and then on the back,
That is so cute.
On the back, it tells you who created your box and to follow them on Instagram.
Yes, and so our box was lovingly curated by Mama B. Now, when you do open your box, in addition to the glitter, you can see that you get some tissue paper and a little sticker so that nothing is spoiled. So let's see what we have.
It's like Christmas. Ooh, there's all sorts of like...
Okay, so, but very, very well packaged, so there is no chance whatsoever that anything is going to get, no chance whatsoever that anything's going to get messed up. The first thing, we have a Disney Resorts Park exclusive pin. If you have seen any of our videos, we love Up. We love Up, we love Wall-E, we love Pixar, and here we have an absolutely adorable Doug pin. And what's really neat is, first of all, Doug has that little sweet Doug expression on his face, and then it's a mood pin. I have one of these with Inside Out, but this will tell you all of Doug's little emotions. So I've been a very good boy today. Or I just met you and I love you. that's my Doug impression. Or squirrel. So this is absolutely adorable.
Every time
so
I
cool.
always see that pin in the stores, and that's always one of the ones where I'm like, I want it, but do I want to buy it?
There you go. You got a little bit of Disney magic. Okay, so now, the next thing that we have in this box, which made Mary lose her mind,
I don't know what it is, but I love it,
is a Loungefly bag. Oh my goodness. So, let's open this up. This is a Loungefly Villains backpack. If you look at it, it has all sorts of neat little icons for the villains.
It looks like there's Maleficent.
Yep, I see Maleficent on here. I see the Evil Queen on here. There's a little fairest of them all hearts. Yep. Yep. I see Ursula.
There's a wing. What's the wing?
Ursula, as Mary said. You have Maleficent in dragon form on here as well. Now, one of the things that I know about Loungefly backpacks is that they always have amazing lining. So let's take a look at the lining.
Ooh! Oh, they smell nice.
Yes, it is really neat little like just a simple gray and white stripe, but it pairs wonderfully with these villains. You have your straps on the back, so I think someone just got her backpack for school. So this is absolutely amazing and fabulous. Now, what's really neat is that Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes gives you a wish list opportunity. And so Miss Thing here didn't know, but I have put this on our wish list. So completely, wonderfully thrilled.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Looking at the receipt, this was the dream box, so it was $39.99. The Loungefly backpack is $44 retail. And then the trading pin is $12.99 retail. So our total retail value is $56.99. I would say it's a win. We cannot wait for our next box. So there's more good news. What I do think we are going to do is just like we did with the last pins that we got in our last box. We are going to give this pin away to one lucky viewer and subscriber. To win this pin, number one, you need to make sure that you are a subscriber to Two Tiny Wings and leave a comment down below telling us what is your favorite Pixar movie. I love WALL-E and I love Up. So what is your favorite Pixar movie? And this video will go up and the contest will be valid and open for 1 week after this video goes up. So definitely like this video, comment, make sure you are subscribed so that you can potentially win this pin. I thought that this was an absolutely amazing first box. So excited to continue, so excited to keep spreading magic and to bring a little joy.
It's got bottle holders on the side.
And on that note, thank you for watching. And until next time,
Time to set your imaginations free.
bye!